Hello, once again, Dr. Kutsi. Our topic for today, we will remove this climate control for the xt5. We need this tool number 7 and trim remover and one this plastic. We will remove this one first, this one and this one and this one and this one. I will remove this one first by using this this one. Remove this one first. See, very easy, right? Very easy, right? Again, put here and like this and like that. See now? Now remove now. See the lock, the clips, only clips, this one. So disconnect this push button start switch connector now. Okay, after that, oh, if you see this screw, remove this trim panel. No, this cover. They have number 7 here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Other side, you have one here to remove this molding decor or a plate. This is a plate. This name is a plate. See? Now we remove this one. Other side. Now you can remove this. Number 7. Accident. Now you can remove this bolt and this one. Or remove this one. this one to access the bolt there. Because they have one bolt here, one here. To remove this this holder. Okay, lose this one, and lose one here, one there side down, also here down, same both side. Lose the or remove the bolt to make little bit give me the bolt there inside. Okay, I will start here. I remove this one. I remove this. See, only this one. Be careful, this one sometimes there. So you have access now to remove that bolt. Remove the bolt here and remove one here, and then little bit bend this trim to access that bolt inside. Same other side, same. This one remove also. Same procedure. Okay. Also another one. Now you can pull a little bit this bit. Now you can access from here. Yeah, see, little bit bend this one to access this bolt, because bolt here hiding, same other side, it's hiding there in this trim. So you can open now. Other one, this one. Now ready. Go other side, left side. Now we are now in the left side. Remove this one again. Very easy. Don't be afraid. It's not broken. Okay. You can remove this one. Other one is here. Yeah, there. There. Okay. Move. Or remove also this one. Sorry, not this one bolt. This one screw is here. We have one screw. I forgot to remove this one screw. This one. Now you can access now. See? You can access now the bolt. Now remove again the bolt down here. This one. Remove this one. And pull the rudder limit. Now this is the climate control now. Okay, you can remove the connector. This is the connector. Okay, now the HVAC control module is inside that one. To remove that one, remove only this one. Clips, you have clips both side. Pull it. Now you can remove that one. See, this is the inside, huh? Okay. Now this is the HVAC control module. This is the one issue when the AC compressor not engaged and the blower of the HVAC blower also not engaged. The main issue this HVAC control module. Now I get second hand. I remove this. I will try this one. I but this one even old or used you can fix without programming. Okay, I remove this one and then I will try. Now this is the one defective. It's same part number. Same. So I will fix this one. I will fix this on the second hand. And then we will see. Okay. Now it's fixed already. This is the old one. I will start. Working now. The fan is working. See? The fan is working. Yeah. Hold. Okay, that's only issue the HVAC control module. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye, see you again.